Myro at the time of this recording is seeing a bit of a breakdown move, and this is after seeing an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the 0.17634. And at the time of this recording, we have lost the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, flipping it back into resistance. But we also continue to hold above a significant key area of support above the 0.13362. And on today's video, I will be discussing my breakdown target areas and also share an Elliot structure that is playing out here on the charts. And starting the video by first sharing the Elliot structure that is playing out, which I have been tracking since the 5th of July. After we saw that breakdown move, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high in this larger Elliott count 1 in blue. And after we topped in that Elliott count 1, we saw a bit of a corrective structure in an Elliott count 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And after we fully maximized the area, we started another aggressive bounce to the upside in what I have been terming as an Elliott count 3, whose minimum target areas I gave you on my previous video by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliott count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.14318, which is an area that we fully maximized, and we continued to see that bullish momentum in a move that gave us an extended Elliott count 3, taking us to the fib level 2.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.17488, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and that now increases the likelihood that we have now topped in that Elliott count 3, and whatever is playing out at the moment is a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliott count 4. And the minimum target areas for this Elliott count 4 can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of that Elliott count 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which perfectly lies between the 0.144 and the 0.134, which is the red target area that I have marked here on the charts. So in the next coming hours, I'm expecting Myro to give us a bit of a breakdown move into this area. And at the time of this recording, you can all see that we have seen a pullback into the area, and we have started to see some reactions within the area. And there are two possible scenarios that can play out. And the first one is that we can get a deeper pullback into the area, get one more new low in this Elliott count 4, and once that plays out, then we can expect another bounce to the upside in an Elliott count 5, which will be confirmed the moment we see a break above the significant high we made in this Elliott count 3 above the 0.17668. The moment we manage to break above that high, that will be enough confirmation that we are now seeing this Elliott count 5. We also need to have in mind that since we have seen a pullback into the area, there are chances that we can easily bounce within this area over here, having the current lows at the 0.14109. And if that is the case, then we need to still watch for a break above that high in that Elliott count 3 to confirm our breakout in that Elliott count 5. And the minimum target areas for the Elliott count 5 can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliott count 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of the Elliott count 3, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618 as the first minimum target area, which perfectly lies above the 0.19565. And the moment we manage to fully maximize that, and maybe we continue to see that bullish momentum, we can easily see another push to the upside to the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.22 7. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Myro chart for the next coming hours. And that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.